Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today we are reviewing Etude House Play 101 pencil in shade 8. It claims to be a multi-purpose gel pencil that can be used as eyeshadow, concealer, eyeliner, lip liner, etc. It has ingredients like silicones, titanium dioxide, coconut oil, vegetable oil and wax to ensure its creaminess, I guess. It comes with both English and Korean instructions, which is great. It is a twist-up pencil that comes with a sharpener to make it stay precise when required. It is a warm-toned beige pencil and its size is like regular pencils. The sharpener is attached at its bottom and is so cute. It's a banana-colored pencil which is very pigmented and creamy. So all of you know that I have uneven lips. I use this pencil as an outline to make my lips look even. I even use this as a concealer to cover little dark patches or blemishes. It doesn't have high coverage, but it still covers the area with decent coverage. It is very easy to blend and doesn't budge throughout the day. It doesn't have any fragrance. It is very creamy, unlike any pencils I have ever used. I have been using this pencil now for less than a year and it's smudge proof as well. Look how easily I covered my pimple with it. My lips look full when I use this by outlining, and otherwise it just looks small and uneven. Doesn't it give lip fillers look? I even use this pencil to apply it on my waterline as it makes my eyes look natural and big at the same time. It is such a great product that I thought everyone should know about it. I will rate it 5 by 5 and will definitely recommend it to all of you. I have shared some of my pictures where I used this pencil. Do let me know which look did you like the most. Bye!